Alright, a quick tutorial how to install or remove RAMs from your computer, from your laptop in this example. Alright, I have two RAMs sticks. I right now want to remove the upper one. Alright, as you can see, there are two metal sticks on this one, so I need to push it to the side and another side, another stick. I need to push like that, and as you can see, the stick goes out. Right now I can remove it easily, no need any strength. If you want to install, look at this middle plastic. It is the place to install this RAM. Alright, and just push the top corner into the RAM stick and also to the down. Alright, as you can see, as you can hear, there was a sound, so looks like this RAM is installed correctly. Thank you for watching.